These solar lamp posts made a noticeable difference in my outdoor space right away, and you will see in a little bit later this video. They give off a warm white glow that feels welcoming without being too harsh. And I love that they automatically turn on in the dusk without any wiring. And assembly was pretty simple, as you can see here, it just screwing the pieces up and also putting the decor part in the top. They don't require any wiring, and the height makes them stand up nicely along walkways or near the porch. And they've been holding up like really good with the rain and wind so far. And installation was so simple and didn't take long at all. I didn't have to put it in the concrete. I just screwed the stack and then put these little anchors on it. So putting them together was super simple to do, and installing them as well, it was really simple to do. The only thing is to keep in mind is that the brightness depends on how much sun they get during the day. We have the sunset in front of the house, but once positioned well, they look great and add a classic touch outdoor. As you can see here, it was raining through the day and you have the water outside the glass. It's a really great product to have, highly recommendable. Thank you for watching.